Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the OBS settings if you want to stream in 4K. Obviously you will need a good camera and a good PC if you want to stream in 4K. I still use like a webcam that's not super good, so the quality isn't the best, but if you have a super good camera you can use these settings. I'll just add video capture device here. And basically this is the device. Hold on, you can configure the video here, and the resolution, you're going to want to do this if you have a really good camera. 3840. Okay, I can't because I don't think my... Okay. Times 2160. And then you're just going to do 30 FPS or highest, maybe just 30, and then press OK. Then you're going to go to the settings. Okay, this is not where the settings are. Oh, here it is. I kind of forgot how to use this because I don't stream that often, but you're going to go to video and you're going to change it here to 3840 times 2160 for both. Press OK. And then for the output, you're going to change your bitrate to 10,000 kbps. Go to recording and... oh, the settings are not changeable, but if it is, you are just going to put your recording output to the same, 3840 times 2160, and that's it. But this is only if you have like a really good camera. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.